A year ago, at CES 2022, we were all just starting to learn about software-defined vehicles, and San Diego-based Qualcomm gave us quite an education on the topic, showing off sort of a seating buck to illustrate all the features of its Snapdragon Digital Chassis architecture. The company's brochures included many illustrations of a fastback four-door hatch demonstrating the system's various capabilities. At this year's CES, that concept has been rendered in 3 dimensions to provide a more fully immersive impression of what's possible with the ever-improving Snapdragon Digital Chassis architecture. Here are some highlights. Snapdragon Ride was introduced last year to support all advanced driver assist systems, ADAS. It's basically a system-on-chip (SoC) solution running Arriver software to manage the sensor perception. That equipment is coming to market in the BMW 9 and 7 series. Snapdragon Ride Flex expands the system sufficiently to support digital cockpit operations on the same silicon, and Qualcomm dubs the industry's first automotive supercompute class solution. The perception stack includes 16 cameras, 13 outside, some of which power mirror images, and 3 inside to identify occupants so as to better tailor content to them. These can also serve as biometric 2-factor authentication for in-car purchases. The 8 displays include 2 round ones at the bottoms of the A-pillars for displaying side-view mirror camera images, and the graphics processing unit driving these screens is powerful enough to run 4 gaming screens, allowing all occupants to compete when parked. The 23 Bose speakers not only provide an immersive sound experience for all, but also enable zoned listening or privacy for each. And the Bose example illustrates a Snapdragon advantage. The premium audio supplier might once have had to turn to a Tier I supplier to help integrate its software into that of the automaker's electrical architecture, but now it can run on a Snapdragon chip implemented across multiple applications, each tailored to the unique speaker and microphone locations of a particular vehicle. Qualcomm got its start in the mobile telephony biz, so it's no surprise the Snapdragon Digital Chassis concept leverages a robust cloud connection to enable connected services management via partners like voice recognition experts SoundHound, with an implementation in the concept car that shows every voice command typed out on a screen for visual verification. Cloud commerce can be supported by Salesforce, remote diagnostics and fleet management by Carota, with biometric identity verified by IdentyX from Daon. In all, 17 different partner logos are associated with the Snapdragon Digital Chassis concept, but who they all are is less important than knowing that the architecture is sufficiently open and inviting to commerce and collaboration, and the user experience in a software-defined vehicle underpinned by the Snapdragon Ride Flex platform can be highly customized to suit any brand's or model's mission and identity. The ability to upgrade a vehicle over the air represents table stakes in the car business, and the Snapdragon Digital Chassis concept demonstrated an ability to add major feature content, like a voice assistant, remote vehicle monitoring, like Ring Car Cam, even bigger ticket items like Level 3 autonomy. And these upgrades could be purchased or even rented, for example, to use only during an extended vacation trip. The Snapdragon Ride Flex silicon is available for development, now supporting production as early as 2024, and we expect it will be widely implemented, even if not every customer is willing or eager to advertise Snapdragon inside. Nobody likes to talk about price and cost at the supplier level, but suffice to say that purchasing a fully developed architecture can potentially save a lot of internal R&D costs.